Ghibli Style AI is a new software that's making waves in the AI space. And today we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released tool. If you're new to it or just curious, stick around because we're going to break down why this might be the AI software you've been waiting for. And by the way, you can try it completely free using the link in the description below. Ghibli Style AI is designed to streamline your workflow, especially if you're in digital marketing or content creation. The first thing that stands out about this software is its intuitive interface. If you've ever tried AI tools before, you know how some can be overwhelming with their steep learning curve. Not Ghibli style. It's user-friendly even for beginners, yet powerful enough for professionals looking to enhance their productivity. The software's core feature is its ability to generate text-to-image designs with a style that mimics the iconic, hand-drawn feel of Studio Ghibli. Whether you're in advertising, marketing, or content creation, having access to a tool that can produce these visually stunning assets in minutes is a game changer. You don't need to hire a team of designers or spend hours tweaking artwork. With Ghibli Style AI, you just input your concept and it brings it to life. But it doesn't stop there. Another key aspect is its versatility. You're not limited to just one type of content or design. From social media posts to website graphics to even more complex marketing collateral, this AI adapts to the needs of your business. It's perfect for those who want to maintain a consistent aesthetic across their brand without the need for manual editing. The AI learns your preferences and refines its output, so the more you use it, the better it gets. Let's talk about speed. Unlike many other AI tools that can take ages to generate results, Ghibli Style AI cuts down your production time drastically. This is crucial, especially when you're in a fast-paced digital landscape where every minute counts. You'll get your results quickly without sacrificing quality, which is a huge win for anyone managing time-sensitive projects. Now, one thing you'll appreciate about this software is its integration capabilities. It easily integrates with popular digital marketing platforms and content management systems, making it easy to add your creations directly to the tools you're already using. Whether you're posting on social media, updating your website, or managing a digital campaign, Ghibli Style AI fits seamlessly into your existing workflow. Another notable feature is the flexibility in customization. While the tool gives you a great starting point with its Ghibli style templates, you have complete control over the final product. Whether you want to adjust the color palette, tweak the design, or completely reimagine the layout, this software gives you all the creative freedom you need while still using the AI's power to speed things up. It's also worth mentioning the cost-effectiveness of Ghibli Style AI. While some AI software can be pricey, this one provides incredible value. If you're running a business or working as a freelancer, you'll be able to generate professional-grade designs without breaking the bank. Given the high-quality output and time saved, this is definitely one of the more affordable AI tools on the market. Lastly, the AI continually improves itself. As you use it more, Ghibli Style AI gets better at predicting the types of designs you'll need and how to generate them to your specifications. This machine learning aspect means it's not just a one-time use tool, it's an investment that gets smarter and more valuable over time. I've tried countless AI software options in my career, but Ghibli Style AI stands out because it combines ease of use with powerful capabilities. You can try it for free with the link in the description. It's perfect for content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs high-quality, consistent designs in a fraction of the time. So, if you want to take your digital creations to the next level, don't miss out on trying Ghibli Style AI. And remember, I've included links to my recommended AI tools below. These are the best options I've found after testing thousands of AI tools, so you can feel confident in your choice.